In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check out on Wayfair. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from finding an item you love to placing a confirmed order with confidence. Start on the product page of the item you want. Make sure you've chosen the right options like color, size, or quantity, then click Add to Cart. Wayfair will confirm that the item has been added. When you're ready to move on, open your cart by clicking the cart icon in the top right corner of the page. In your cart, review everything carefully. Check that the correct items, variations, and quantities are listed and that the pricing looks right. If something needs adjusting, make those changes here so you don't have to backtrack later. When you're set, click the checkout button to proceed. Next, sign in or continue as a guest. If you already have a Wayfair account, enter your email and password to log in, which can make tracking and returns easier. If you don't want to sign in, choose Guest Checkout to continue without creating an account. Now enter your shipping details. Type your full name, your complete delivery address, and a phone number. The phone number helps carriers provide delivery updates and reach you if they need instructions, so make sure it's accurate. Include any apartment, suite, or building details to avoid delays, and double-check spelling and postal codes before moving on. Choose your delivery option. You'll typically see standard shipping and, when available, a faster delivery option. Review the estimated arrival dates and costs, then select the option that fits your timeline and budget. It's time to enter your payment method. You can pay with a credit or debit card, and you may also see digital wallet options like PayPal or Apple Pay. Enter your payment details carefully. For cards, ensure the billing information matches what your bank has on file, as mismatches can cause declines. Before placing your order, review everything one more time. Confirm the items, the shipping address, your chosen delivery option, and the total price, including taxes and shipping. This quick check helps you catch any typos or incorrect quantities. When everything looks perfect, click Place Order. Wayfair will process your payment, and your order is confirmed once the payment goes through. You'll see an on-screen confirmation and receive an email with your order details and order number. If any field is flagged or the button is disabled, scroll up to correct the highlighted information and try again. That's all there is to it. Happy shopping and enjoy your new purchase from Wayfair.